lang munggo na na-pre-cook na. Salang ko na lang yan mamaya. Tapos meron akong ampalaya. So, daming, oh, there's a lot of food. A lot of food. I got ceviche here, Filipino style fish. Yeah, I made it. I forgot the tortilla.
When they took the Filipino dessert.
The dessert? I'm not I don't like dessert.
No, it was like the fruit salad with the condensed milk and all that.
What is that?
Well, she put coconut and then it has the cheese.
Oh, yeah?
It was so.
Anything with cheese is good. Alright. Lakay! Pangisaksakan na kita, bala ka itong ta. Awanti da no. I think pwede kong saksak din. Jose, ada pala itong ta. Morning, Tess. Ano? Bigyan natin ng tubig. Ang balato. Dakarto di talakan. Kamarong I want it fresh eh. There's no fresh na munggo. Lagi lawin ta. Ay na sojo. Naksutan na. You have seizures there? You all right? Thank you. Contaminated is good. Sorry. Bacteria and everything is okay. It helps. That's a good. We need bacteria. Hey, Patrice. Jay, how are you, my big boss? This is Malunggay, Patrice. Makes you nice. That's the Malunggay number 1 and Malunggay number 2. And just watch out for the smoke. If it's gonna. What did you get on Black Friday, Black Saturday?
You're asking me?
Yeah.
No, nothing.
Nothing. I changed my stove.
Your stove?
Yeah.
Did you get a good deal on it?
Huh?
Was it a good deal?
Best Buy. Yeah, it's been like a long time already. It's kind of hard. Whenever I bake, I can see smoke, so it's dangerous.
Oh, so now you need it.
Yeah, I need it. It's not, it's necessary.
For your next one?
No, I have my own. My wife don't let me cook there.
Why?
Personal. I have my own machine
Wow.
outside.
Because it smells or what?
No. Because kids are cooking too. So I can mess it up because, that's for them. I have my own.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So that's gonna be it. Our malunggay. I don't know if it's working. I don't know. Let's see. Let's just move this for. Tabi muna nito. Nakay, ayos mo lang? So, so, ang taray tayo. Dahil nakilawanta. Kunak nung kamangan-anan. Tanong bigat, ang kapatid rin mga mandigas ko, ang pinalpas. Kailangan nga yung machine ko lang kita mapalaban tamanan. Lagi sarabing ka, lumakaida na, pares na ya. Di ka nangalak ng pa, Amazon 2.0. Eyeglass, 2.0. Yung prescription ko agpag. Dato kang agpag, kita niya Amazon, 20 plus lang na dato, mga piraso. So, dapat extra ako. So, every time mo, kamang kidi mo facility na kasi na eh. So, dati ko anong 2.0 agpag, mayat, nalakapay, nagato nga piraso. Okay. I think that's it. Tayin natin yung ating malunggay. Yan, mamaya. I don't know if it's working. Okay. And yung mga baon. What is this? Jambalaya? Jambalaya, rice. Ito yung baon ko na. Yung ginawa kong kilawin. Ito. May sweets pa. Dami. Oh, rice. Little bit of rice. Somebody eat rice. Let's go.